Hello, I'm Ofanto, SE, CHPP. Welcome to the Organizational Behavior course. This video will cover the fundamentals of individual behavior, the law of individual differences. Welcome back, fellow students, to the second week of the Organizational Behavior tutorial. Let us start this learning journey with enthusiasm to delve deeper into human behavior within organizations. Upon completing this tutorial, you are expected to explain the fundamentals of behavior, understanding why individuals behave specifically in an organizational context. You will also cover the law of individual differences, identifying and explaining the various characteristics that differentiate each person. Your learning resources include instructional materials, focusing on Module 2, and relevant resources in the RAT. Active participation in discussions is crucial for your final score. Furthermore, practice exercises are available to deepen your understanding. Keep progressing, and give your best in every discussion. Good luck, from your Organizational Behavior course tutor, Ofanto, SE, CHPP.